Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of resolution. On the application of Google Wallet, you click on Settings. In this page, we go to Apps, Default Apps, App Settings. On above, you search about Google Wallet. Here in this page of App Info, you will click on First Stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on Clear Cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account or can cause you errors in your app. Then you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you.